At Hilleberg, we use our label system to categorize our tents based on their intended performance range, their basic construction features, and the materials that they use. To show how tents in each of the different labels handle high winds, we've set up 3 structurally similar tents in our wind machine, which, depending on placement, creates wind speeds of around 30 meters per second or 67 miles per hour. We have our black label Namach 2, our red label Nalo 2, and our yellow label Anyan 2, which are all 2-person, single entrance and vestibule tunnel tents. Let's start with the black label Namach. This tent uses our Carillon 1800 outer tent fabric and 10mm poles, making it the most robust of these 3 models. An important part of its all-season construction is that its outer tent walls extend all the way to the ground, providing maximum weather protection from adverse conditions like wind, rain, and snow. On each of its ends, there is a large external vent with an attached guy line to provide added strength and stability to the tent. These points are especially important for keeping the tent anchored in prolonged rough winds that shift directions. Our black label tents are our strongest and most durable and are built to handle the harshest conditions anywhere in the world. This makes them an excellent choice for long-term trips in very exposed terrains or any time you want the greatest comfort and security. Now let's take a look at our red label Nalo in the wind machine, which, as you can see, is still very stable and strong. Because red label tents prioritize a different balance of low weight and absolute strength, they're not as suitable for the very most extreme weather. They use a lighter Carillon 1200 outer tent fabric and 9mm poles. You will notice that the Nalo's outer tent walls also extend all the way down to the ground. Like black label models, red label tents are built for all-season use, but they cede some strength and comfort in favor of their lighter weight. For example, the Nalo has only 1 external vent placed high up and 1 low down on its back end. For extra strength, guy lines can be added to the front vent. Because of their lighter weight construction, red label tents are best for use in all but the very worst conditions. They can adapt well to a wide variety of all-season trips and are a good choice for almost any journey where weight is a significant factor. Our yellow label tents, like the Anyan here, are built for snow-free conditions, but are still able to handle high winds well. They use our lightest weight Carillon 1000 outer tent fabric and the same 9mm poles as in our all-season red label models, making them both impressively strong and remarkably light. Unlike our all-season black and red label models, yellow label tents have ventilation integrated into their construction. Most models have a curved patterning on the bottom of their outer tent walls, and all have large mesh panels on their inner tents. Because of their built-in ventilation, yellow label models do not have large external vents placed high up, which can make them less tolerant of shifting winds. Because of their airy construction, yellow label models offer less protection from sideways rain or blowing snow, which is why we recommend them for use in snow-free conditions only. They're best for warmer weather conditions during the summer and shoulder seasons. It's important to note that we do build all of our tents with added strength so they can handle the unexpected rough weather conditions that might come up during your trips. Winds in the backcountry are unpredictable and can quickly change directions, so here we pitched the Namach, Nalo, and Anyan with a side wind to simulate some potential changing conditions. As you can see, with all our peg points and guy lines properly secured, the tents are easily able to handle the strong side wind. We call that extra insurance that we build into our tents our margin of safety, and it's an important part of our philosophy that we apply to both our strongest, which have the highest margin of safety, and our very lightest tents, which have a lesser but still high margin of safety. This video is just an overview of some of the differences between our labels and how they perform in high winds. This is only a simulation, and we know that wind and bad weather can be very unpredictable, but we hope this demonstration will give you some insight into how your tent will handle the adverse conditions. For more detailed information about our label system, you can visit our website at hilleberg.com or feel free to contact us directly with any questions.